Welcome back to our channel Coding Pills, just like taking small pills of knowledge every day. Today we are going to solve questions. Write a Java program to print half diamond star pattern. So as you can see, the questions is like to us things like very hard, but it's not actually very hard. It's a very simple. If you remember our triangles patterns, then you can easily to solve these problems. To solving these problems, we need some approach. As you can see here, first half we have a triangle, then second half we have also the triangle. I think it's a inverted or opposite triangle maybe. So to solving these problems, let's first of all need a int n is equal to 5. Then you need a for loop for int starting from int I is equal to 1. Why starting from 1? Because it will be starting from 1, because star 1 star is here, then 2 star, then 3 star, then 4 star, then 5 star. So that is why starting from 1, and I should less than is equal to n I plus plus. Then inside of this for loop you need a one more loop which represent to print the star. So for int j starting from 1, and the condition is j should less than is equal to I j plus plus. What you need to do, you have to print the star. Make sure it is a print statement. You have to print the star. It means whatever the I is should be less than is equal to j, you have to print the star. That much star you have to print. Let's suppose in the first instance we have a 1. So 1 j is less than is equal to I. So j is less than is equal to I. You have to print 1 star. Then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Let's come out this for loop and print this out for the next line. Then the lower half is there, na? This lower half, it will be starting from the 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. So for that, don't worry about, you need a one more condition, which is a for int I is equal to n minus 1. Let me tell you, first write the conditions first. I is greater than is equal to 1 and I minus minus. Control shift plus. Yeah, I hope you will be fine to see. So why okay, this for loop should outside of this for this outer for loop is there now, which represent printing the triangle. So this is the first triangle, it will be printed of this for loop. Then come out this for loop and write this here for int I is equal to n minus I. Why? As you can see here, after this triangle, after this triangles, what we have a 4 star. That is why n minus I means 5 minus 1. It will be starting from the 4 star, then 3, then 2, then 1. I is greater than is equal to 1, I minus minus. The every iterations 1 minus 1 will be decreases. That is why starting from 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside of this, you need one more for loop for int j is equal to 1 and j should less than is equal to I j plus plus. Sys out star, as simple as that. Just make sure it is a print statement. Come out this for loop and print next line. So let me run this program. This program is done. So you will be getting the half diamond pattern here. So basically the condition is, remember what are the conditions you needed, because it will be starting from the 1 then 2, that is why the I is starting from the 1 to n. But after this triangle it will be getting decreases by every iteration, like 4 3 2 1. That is why come out this one is printing the half triangle and this one is printing the half, I think, inverted triangle. It is inverted triangle will be printed. So that is why for int I is equal to n minus I, starting from 4, and I is greater than or equal to 1, I minus every time one is decreases 3 2 1. This is the way of you can solve these problems. That's all about this video. Thank you for watching. Coding pills, just like taking a small pills of knowledge every day.